treasure.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, MT Squad? It's your girl, Mika Lachey Squad. I'm hard. Oh, Lord. What's up, y'all? If you come across this video and you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go right now. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button on the way in. So, today, y'all, look. First of all, let me say this. My voice, it ain't going. It ain't coming through. So, yeah, just y'all gonna have to bear with me today. Cause my voice raspy. I ain't been feeling good or whatever. But I'm finna try to get this video together for y'all. So many people been asking me about doing a makeup tutorial. So many people has been asking me about how do I do my eyebrows. So today, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm finna do y'all a makeup and eyebrow tutorial on how I do mine. Okay? So, okay, first thing first, I know y'all see the pink. You see the pink? You see the pink? Okay, yeah. So, my hair is pink. So, my eyebrows, sorry, y'all, are also pink. Now, they were darker, but somehow they faded now. I don't know. Well, you can still see it. They're like real light. You can see it real light pink, okay? Ooh, y'all see that beauty mode? Boom. Yeah. Boom, beauty mode. Yeah, let me let y'all, yeah. First of all, let me put that through. Supposed to be putting on them fake ass molds and shit on their face. Natural, and natural. I just had to put that in there. But yeah, so the first thing I do, y'all, with my eyebrows is I take a spoolie, even though I don't really have too much eyebrows, y'all. I take a spoolie and I try to put them in the direction that I want them to go. Like I said, I don't have too much eyebrow, but I still do it. So this is the eyebrow spoolie I've been using for my pink ones. I just kind of brush them up and then down, up and then down. Okay. And I just take my eyebrow pencil, this pink one. Anyway, how y'all doing today? Are y'all having a good day? My day isn't going so good today, but, you know, I'm finna get through it. No complaints, no worries. This eyebrow pencil is just really giving me H-E-double hacky sticks today. It's pink, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. It's pink, but it ain't sharpening right. But we finna do what we can do with it. So I just outline it. Let me get on here where y'all can see. I start down here and I outline how I want it to go. Like that. Same thing for the top. Bro, hold on. Eyebrow. Wait a minute. Let me sharpen it again. It's really irritating me, no lie. Okay, so let me sharpen it. Okay, it ain't acting right, but we finna make it work. So I fill it in. I fill it in real full. And I do the same thing to the other side. I'm finna do the other side too. Outline the bottom first. Oh, baby. When I say this color is over with, this pencil is over. It's just over. I'm having to bear with it. Y'all know how the pencil don't sharpen right. You got all the wood at the front part. It's tearing my eyebrow up. You hear me? Scratching. It's scratching the shit out of my damn eyebrow. But I'm trying to make it work. So fill it in. Because I know I don't have another pink eyebrow pencil. This is the only one I got. So I got to make it work today, y'all. I got to make it work. We almost done. We almost done. Fill it in. Look at it. Ooh, child. I'm having a... It's not giving today. It's giving a bad day today. Okay. Finally, I'm done. So, folks be wondering, how you get them so perfect? How you get them like this? How you get them like that? Okay, I'm finna show you. So, what I do is, I start at this part right here. Right here in the front. And you're going to have to fade it in real good. So I brush the front part back real good. Brush, and fade that front part. I go out some, all the way down to, the middle part of my nose, in between my nose right here, and fade that part too. So it can look like it's natural. Like it's, you know what I'm saying, growing. It's growing from over here. You get from light to dark. Try to fade that part real good. See that? See that? That's how we get that good fade. Because people be asking me that. Then I go back and kind of fill in between where I feel like it needs to be, filled in a little more. See that? Boom. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay? Go right here. And I brush it real good to try to fade it in. Blend it in real good. Come out some more. Like that. See it? Okay, and then like I said, if I feel like I need to blend it in, shade it in a little more, I just shade it in a little more. So, shading in a little bit right here. See? Okay. Now here comes the part of me actually defining the eyebrow. So, take my concealer. And I outline the eyebrow, how I want it to go, how I want it to be shaped. So I start, now look, let me tell y'all, some people, they do the light, the lighter color in the back, darker in the front. I really don't do all that. I guess I'll do it. I'll do it for y'all. So, okay. So we're going to start right here. So I outline it like that. And this is an angle brush. I'm going to tell y'all something right now. I know a lot of people be buying them nice high brushes. I don't do all that. I'm going to tell you now, I don't do all that. I'm going to tell you why. Because I'd rather pay a lot for the products rather than the brushes. But I know the brushes matter. They do. But y'all, I just don't. I just don't do all that. Okay? So, like I said, I do the bottom part. Outline the bottom part first. Then I move to the front. So, I'm finna move to the front. And I'm gonna use the darker concealer. Okay. See that? And then I'm finna go over to the other side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Easter coming up, y'all. What y'all doing for Easter? To be honest, y'all, I ain't studying celebrating no Easter. I ain't even finna lie to y'all. I'm really not studying celebrating no Easter, none of that. Only thing I really worrying about doing is taking my babies to Waterville. I'm gonna take them to Waterville this summer or whatever. So they'll be able, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, cute. Then I go to the top and I do the top. Now I want to say, yeah, I'm gonna do the top light. Now I know lots of people try to make the concealer look, I guess maybe a little bit, like just a tad lighter than your skin color. I'm doing mine all the way light, cause see, I don't have time. You feel me? I want to be able to see what I'm doing, so I'm doing mine real light. And I go shape it how I want it to go, like that. See? See that? See that? Fix them up, clean them up how you want them. And then I'm fixing to do the other side. Oh, hold on. See, I'm dibbing and dabbing in the other color. Supposed to be in the light color. My bad. Hold on. Okay. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. See that? So look. Check this out. You see this one got more of a little arch. A little arch more than this side. Go in and fix it. Make sure you have them identical, okay? You want them to both be identical. You don't want them to be looking different. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna kind of round it off a little bit. See that? There we go. Now they both look. See? There we go. Then, after I do that, I'm going to take my brush that I use to blend it in. Blend in my concealer. And I'm just going to blend in my concealer. Like I said, y'all, I be buying just, you know, normal cheap little brushes. I don't really be trying to. The only brush that I have that costs a lot is my foundation brush. You feel me? My foundation brush is the only brush that I have that like really costs money. Other than that, baby, I'm going the cheap route. I'm going the cheap route because see, I don't have time. You feel me? I just don't have time to be, you know what I'm saying, paying arms and legs for everything. I know some people is okay with it because, you know what I'm saying, they feel like, you know, I mean, they gotta have them high-ass brushes, but me, I don't feel like that. Hold on. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. Here. I need somebody to come to the door. So, okay. Like I said, blend in the concealer. Y'all see how, hold on. Can y'all see how it look natural in the front part of the brow? They come from their spoolie. That's why I do that spoolie like that. I blend it real good in the first part, so I don't have to really do too much when it comes to the middle part. Blending that concealer, you see that? Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush and just brush down the middle like that. And take it over here to this side like that. You see? Just come down. I just went down the middle. So I won't have a unibrow, y'all. And blend a little more. Blend a little more. And I'm not worried about, you know what I'm saying, this part looking real light or whatever, because I'm going to go back over that when I do my makeup. You know what I'm saying? So this is the, hold on, let me make sure they both look the same. Hold on. Let me put a little bit more on the end part to define it just a little bit more. See? Okay. There we go. Done. Done. Eyebrows. I can't say it right. Yeah. Eyebrows are done. They're done. See? See? Had a unibrow. I had a unibrow for a second. Now they are done. So yes, y'all, this is my tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I'm getting ready to do the makeup part next. I'm separating these both of these videos. So if y'all want to see the full face of makeup and how I do that, catch the next video. Until then, like the video. Y'all make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.